Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to make some twice baked potatoes. So let's get started. I've got two. I'm going to make them in the air fryer, by the way. I'm going to put some oil on both of them. It's just me and my husband, so I'm only going to make 2 potatoes worth. And I'm going to put some salt because we like to eat the skin. Put them in my air fryer. I always use a liner so that my air fryer doesn't get gross. And okay, so now I'm gonna get the flesh out of the potatoes. Uh-oh, I broke that one already. Okay, so now we're gonna get the filling ready. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter. About 4 tablespoons of sour cream, which is a 1/4 cup. Salt. Pepper. Mash it up a little bit. It's okay for it to have a little bit of, a little bit of lumps and some texture in there. I don't mind that at all. Put some cheese in here. Normally I grate my own cheese, but I had this bag of sharp cheddar that I want to use up, so I'm going to just go ahead and use it. I'm going to put about a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar in there. Okay, so I did not do a very good job of getting my potatoes nice and even. I started messing with them when they were still too hot, and so that's why 2 of them broke. But I mean, it's not going to change the way they taste, so they'll still be delicious. They'll just not be as pretty. You can definitely put some bacon in these if you'd like, and some green onion. I'm gonna just garnish them with a little bit of chives at the end. But yeah, definitely put some bacon in there if you like that. Now I'm gonna put these into another, this is one of those disposable liners for my air fryer. I'm gonna put them back in the air fryer. I'm gonna put just a little bit of extra cheese on top. And I'll put them in there for about 5 minutes. So here they are, straight out of the air fryer. They look delicious, and I know they taste delicious because I've made them many times before. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon on one of my other videos. Take care.